I'm Sanjeev Tyagi, and trust me, madam, I will not take more than 10 minutes, or maybe try to make it further short. I am going to talk about how IT can help to transform healthcare. I'll show some statistics in terms of what is industry challenge right now, what are the technology trends which are prevailing. Already some of the technology trends and applications are already been explained by a few of the presenters, so I'll not take much time out there. And what Juniper in terms of network and IT security vendor can do to ensure the healthcare is available in the faster possible time frame. So in terms of challenge, this is one statistics which has been shown out here. If you look at the people dying in a plane is 1:10 million. So when we have taken this flight, I'm pretty sure nobody from your relative or friend had said, had told you best of luck, you are going in a flight, best of luck to you. But whenever we are going to a hospital, we are seeing our relatives and friends rushing to the temple and praying for our health. And the reason to that is 1 out of 300 people are dying in a hospital. If we look at the survival rate from crash, that is even more pathetic. Globally, as well as in India, is the ambulance and the survival rate in the crash is really very bad. If I look at Indian statistics vis-a-vis other countries, today we have around 25, these are old statistics, but we have around roughly 25% of the people are covered under health insurance, where compared to that other countries like Brazil, this statistics was there in 1965, what we are there today. So the statistics are not very good, and the reason to that is somewhere we are not investing too much onto the health segment. Like if you look at the percentage GDP expenditure, so our expenditure is 6%, compared to that US is spending some 17.6%. The MRI scanners available for the population of citizen of country is not even 1 per 1,000 citizen. We are exporting a lot of nurses, and we are also importing when there is a crisis in Iraq or Syria. But the fact is, not even 2 nurses are available in country for every 1,000 citizen. And so do about the physicians, not even 1 physician is available for 1,000 people. So clearly there is a problem out there, and one thing which can clearly help and come out as a savior is IT, information technology. So the way it can do is, there is one analysis been shown, it's a global analysis on US, on diabetics patient. So the total expenditure on diabetic disease in US is around $41 billion. So just by using a simple technology of remote monitoring, there can be clear saving of around 15% on curing such patient. Of course, what is required is we need to have a dedicated frequency for mobile health application, which has already been approved by FCC in year 2012. So today we have a dedicated frequency available. There are a lot of application, mHealth application, which have been downloaded on Android and Apple phones and devices. Some 44 million apps were been, healthcare apps were been downloaded in year 2012. And we are seeing this ratio is increasing, and in the span of 4 years, this ratio is going to become 4 times to 160 million apps that will be downloaded. So what is required in healthcare is, first of all, we need to digitize the record of a patient. Okay, all the details need to be digitized. It need to be available to various health organizations like hospital, like institute, research institutes, and these records need to be available at any point of time, either statically, either on a static media or onto a mobile media. So how can we ensure health delivery? If I look at some examples which are available, when we are going for a repeated uh, visit to a doctor, like to give an example, my son had a viral fever. I was pretty sure when I will go next time, he'll ask me to remove the antibiotics and continue with the vitamins for one more week. But I was being enforced by my wife to go out there because that is something as a human tendency, we always do that. So just by using a remote monitoring application and of course making sure we are paying to the doctor for the visit fee, we can reduce 73% of the repeated visits of the patient to the hospitals or the dispensary. Of course, we all want to know, get the repeated updates of the regular health checks. So 80% of the patient want some application which can give them repeated reminders of their health checks. And even if you look at towards the doctor side, all the doctors, either they are using Apple gadgets or they are using Android gadgets. So that means they also have the right hardware with them by which they can enable remote and M-Health delivery. So what Juniper aim is? Juniper aim is to reduce the cost of health delivery, of course to enhance outcome and improve access of a doctor to a patient. So this is possible by having a connectivity, a right connectivity of a patient to the doctor, to the hospital. The connectivity should be in mobile in nature and it need to be secure, very secure. So when we are digitizing the data of our patient, of course that is going to bring us into one other problem of how we are going to manage that data. And then the problem of big data has already started coming up. But the good thing with digitizing the data is we can have more predictive trend analysis. Like this example been given out here. There were around 50 million people died of flu in year 1918, wherein there were only 5,79,000 people who were affected and died in 2009 because of H1N1 virus which got spread. And one reason to that was the government was able to take proactive measures to ensure the spread of this virus is been limited and can be contained. Of course, when we are keeping the data of a patient, it's very important the data centers need to be secure. The data has to be made available only to the person who requires it, only to the doctor when it's required after due authentication and authorization from the patient or his relative. So security play a very important role out there, and Juniper is one of the vendor who is offering security for such data centers. So as a summary, what Juniper vision in a healthcare is, give doctor more time to patient, make it easier for IT to deliver services, and enhance patient clinical experience. I'll summarize my slide and I'll finish my presentation with one of the video which shows how IT can help in delivering emergency services to a patient.
Thank you very much also, Mr. Sanjeev, for this very excellent presentation.